Crosse. We're gonna go do a little exploring. Just got a frost advisory for the morning, and it's been very cold today. Right now it's about 50 degrees. It's not too bad out. A little breezy. You can see all the fall leaves changing. It's absolutely wonderful out here. But we're gonna go explore Lacrosse a little bit. The draft in this river, they said on the tour, is like 9 feet, and there's 26 different dams that keep it that way. And so you see a lot of these draft boats and things that are really neat. So this is the region that we're in, and I am staying right there. And we drove out here to a place called Grandad Bluff, out up over here. So it's a little bit windy, but this is Grandad Bluff. And I'm staying just over that bridge over there on an island. But you got the full colors. Excuse the wind. Can't really control that. But just a steep drive up here. Go Gorgeous views. So that is Wisconsin, and this is Minnesota's right over there, right by the bridge, right there. I'll show you here shortly. Beautiful view though. That's a big can of beer. Just outside of the brewery. But Guinness Book of World Records right there. So we're heading in here to Dahl's Auto in the town of Lacrosse. It's an auto museum. It's a nice little quaint town. The beer cans are down that way in the brewery. We'll just go in here and see what these guys got. How are you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
I look at your cars?
Yeah, there is a charge.
Okay.
$5.
Okay. Okay.
And he was interested in getting the car business, so they applied for an agency and received it. The dark colored car right there in front is a 1911 Model T, so that's the example of the cars they were selling at the time. You got 39 cars in the museum, all owned by the Dahl family. The oldest is right behind you. You can see an old Cadillac. It's a 1905 Cadillac.
Okay.
It was purchased by a local attorney in 1905 as a new automobile. It's been in town since that time. It's rumored to be among the first automobiles in the Crosse area. Back in the turn of the 20th century. The newest car we have is out of normally at the bar. It's not. It's in the shop over in West Salem, but it's pictured on the wall mural right there. It's a 2024 GT. It's a limited production high performance supercar, 660 horsepower, total V6. Only 1,350 total units were built over a 3-year period. No longer in production. Along the wall we have pictures of all the cars we have in the collection that are mentioned. We have 39 on the floor. We own about 45, so there's about 4 or 5 cars that are pictured that are not here. They're in storage. Then above where they have the different decades noted is just fun facts of that decade, population numbers, cost of living, things like that. Behind the jukebox we have our collection of hood ornaments, a display case that we've accumulated over the years.
Oh goodness.
And going back to where Mr. Dahl's pictured along that wall mural, that whole wall mural is just history of the Ford Motor Company, the Dahl family's involvement in it. And then lastly, the 3 young men that currently run the company are the great-great-grandsons of Andy Dahl. So they've been in the car business for 5 generations. One of the oldest Ford dealers in the country. So that's kind of an overview. We've been open, the museum's been open since 2011 for their 100th anniversary. So, if you have any questions, please ask. I'll try to answer.
Sure will. Thank you.
Okay.
My father and I just about 6 months, 8 months ago, we were at the world's largest Model T museum in California.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where in California is it?
It's
LA, is it just
no, it's out in the middle of a farmland area.
Okay.
Really neat. He has a ton. Took us half a day to go through that thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. It is pretty cool.
That is neat.
You know, we've got a guy that does all our restoration. He has a special fondness for Model Ts. But the interesting thing is, just recently in talking to him, he said the price on Model Ts are just dropping because the young people aren't interested in them.
No,
They're
yeah.
just out there.
Yeah.
But then you hear that there's still an awful lot of Model Ts out there. I think they made like 18 or 20 million back in the day, so there's still a lot probably in barns and storage places.
My dad is working on a 1930 International.
Oh, really?
T-Bird. I love this type of design on the back. That was neat. 63. 66 Ford Fairlane. A lot of little artifacts around here too. So as he stated, the Dahls are apparently from this area and then 5 generations deep or something into cars. 23 Model T. Roadster. Mother-in-law. Old jukebox. Ford GT. Shelby. Gotta wonder if that's a kit car. Another Mustang. '69. How many horsepower is this one? Let's see. Monterey, Mercury. With a matching trailer. Model T bus, I guess. 32 Chrysler. Oh, it's got blue accented wheels. I like that. '14 Saxton Roadster. '55 Nash. Hood ornament on that thing. This is pretty interesting. This whole wall has all of the years, and at the other end it's projected. So 92 million people. Life expectancy 50.1 years. Yearly income $750. Wilson Taft, president, 16 cents a gallon for gas. Gallon of milk, 32 cents. and the divorce rate was 0.1. It goes along and does all the years. By comparison, 40s, there's 132 million people. Life expectancy 62. Annual income has gone up to $1,299. Truman, 11 cents a gallon for gas. 55% of the U.S. homes had indoor plumbing, and the United States and USSR become superpowers. Fast forward, we'll go to the 1990s. 249 million, 75.4 years old, the average age. Life expectancy, income, 28,000. Bush Clinton, gallon of gas $1.34. Average cost of a new car is $16,000. And Super Nintendo, $159. So they've got the 10s up here, and then they didn't complete the rest of the 20s and 30s. 309 million, 77.8. Average yearly income 40,000. Obama, gas at 275. New cars 29,000. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.